Hey y'all, I'm at the salon right now. Let me turn the music down a little bit. I don't want YouTube to get me. But I'm at the salon. I came in early. I actually came to meet a contractor. He's on his way in to give me a quote on some shelving. I got these shelves done a couple months ago and put up last month. And I want to just add some more shelving, some more things I got coming for Volume Life. So the other guy who did those shelves he's not as reliable, would not highly recommend. So yeah, I'm gonna get a quote from another guy and I'm looking forward to it. So I'm here. Thankfully I came for him because I had a client and forgot. Hello. Good, how are you?
Doing well.
Good. Hopefully you weren't, but I have this shelf right here made, and thank you, and I like he just burnt it and put like a clear coat on it. So what I'm looking to add is I want another like shelf added. I guess that'll be about 4 feet maybe. I don't want it to connect to this, but I do want it, you know, kind of lined up here. And what I really would like on the shelf, maybe I can draw it, but I want the shelf to be able to put stuff on top of it. But I also want to add they kind of have this in like retail stores where they'll have like it's like an industrial look, so it'll be like a pipe.
The black piping?
Yeah, and I want to be able to hang stuff on it. So I would like to have that added to the underneath part of the shelf.
Okay.
But I would like for it to match this little burnt look. Yeah, let me get my camera. And then I'll introduce you after this part. But then I also want to add just one shelf right here as well, because I want to be able to, I have like this little color bar hanging right here. Okay. And I want to be able to bring this out here, but then I want like a shelf that I can mix on and stuff. Like that I can actually like sit my bowl on, so I don't have to come in my office to mix my color. I can just do it all right here, kind of like a little color bar. It's back here, but I think if I add some shelves, like maybe on this wall in the corner, I can have some stuff to like stack some stuff on, like for storage, so I can get some stuff off the floor. Okay. Absolutely.
So something pretty heavy duty then.
Yeah. So, but I don't know if you, I mean, these two walls are real walls. This wall was added. It's, okay. Yeah. Same thing for that wall, but the wall that the shelves on, it's a real wall if I'm not mistaken. Okay. He did put anchors in it, so I don't know what that means.
Did he give you a weight limit?
Each anchor can hold 90 pounds, and he put I think he put 2 on each little thing, because the shelf was made like each hectagon was individual. And then when I had him to hang them up, he connected them on the wall. Okay. Yeah. See, I think I want some little corner, if so, maybe like this, so I can have quite a bit of space to like put some stuff on, maybe 2 or 3 or something like that. I don't know, what you think? Just because
I think two will do, just in case you want to put something that's kind of tall on the bottom shelf. Okay. Or tall on the top shelf. Okay. And that's it. I think that's it for right now. That's everything. I was like, let me tell him everything at one time, because like I only was able to get this one thing out of the one guy, and then like well, he had stopped responding. He was supposed to meet me up here to quote me for the rest of it, I just didn't get a response back. So I was like, well, let me just... I try not to overwhelm people, because how my mind works, I'd be like, oh yeah, this is what I want. But yeah, so I'm just putting it all on you today. Well, there's some good ideas.
Okay.
Something to think about.
Okay.
Sure.
Just trying to upgrade my little space and make it more efficient and make some more space to bring some more stuff in. I like where it's... I'm going to let you get your measure on and stuff, and I'm going to get my client started. Spam. Alright, y'all, I want y'all to meet someone special. He's gonna be doing all my woodwork. This is Derek of Dynamic and Magnificent Woodwork Innovations. I got it right?
Wood Innovations.
Wood Innovations. Close enough. In Shreveport, Louisiana. I'm so excited, y'all. So what we got here? What we got? What's what I'm looking at?
We talking person?
Well, just in whatever you have for me.
Well, I think you have some good ideas, and I think it's gonna look good.
Okay. So how long should I kind of wait and hear back from you?
I should have this done tonight, so I'll probably say tomorrow morning.
Okay, and I need to give you my personal number because I think, well, I know my assistant reached out to you first, so you might only have the salon phone.
I do.
Would you have like a contact for like painting or anything like that? Somebody you can refer me to, I guess?
I don't really deal with anybody personally.
Okay. Feel it. Okay, well, I was just asking. Sometimes, different work, y'all might have a colleague or something that do something else other than what you do. Awesome. All right, then. Well, it was good meeting you, and I'll hear from you in the next couple of days. Tomorrow, then. Okay, and I'm going to show y'all the work when it's done.